So this video is going to discuss about jobs that really kind of pay pretty good. And so I think it's these are part-time jobs. So like if you wanted more money like for Christmas, or just needed more because you needed like repair, or some reason why you needed a little bit more money, there are some part-time jobs that pay pretty good. And it's the places. And the first one is Costco. So if you live close to a Costco, it says that they work about at least 24 hours a week, and they can receive benefits once they've accumulated. See, it's a total, all totaling it together. Instead of accumulated, this is increase. I would say it totals up to. You could do total accumulated. I would probably kind of wiggle my fingers, but this is like a total, like, 2 times 3, I would do a total like that. But if it's accumulating, it's adding. So it's a total of. So accumulated, 60 days of service. So you have to work there 60 days. So, and they say that they have health care that includes medical and vision and prescription medicines and dental for part-time. That's pretty good. So the next one is Lowe's. Lowe, and then I want the apostrophe S, so I do the S and then this. This is apostrophe S. So just Lowe, but it's Lowe's, and it is an apostrophe S. So Lowe's. They said that they're part-time employees. They are immediately, see, before the other one was accumulative, but this is immediately. Happens right now, immediately, from medical benefits, and that includes prescription, RX, prescription, medicine, short-term disability, life insurance, and dental and vision. It's pretty good. I didn't know that. So, and then this says after 1 year, it offers the employee the stock purchase option to the part-time workers as well. That's interesting. I didn't know that they did offer those things to part-time. And then the third one is REI. And remember, this is E, but if you're spelling it with a word, most deaf people will do, and people who are proficient in sign language will have the E as the 2, because it's just more convenient than doing REI. If you're in a little bit bigger city and have an REI. The part-time employees, they are eligible or qualify. It is your G hand shape, goes down to a Q, and to qualify. Eligible for benefits, like you're putting a pin in your pocket, if they work an average of 20 hours a week for 12 months, which is 1 year. So you have to have your evaluation period. So they have medical and dental and basic life, and so that's for the part-time employees. They are eligible for even if they like work there and they stop working there and then they come back, they're still eligible for a lot of these benefits, which is a little bit unusual. So Staples, that's an office supply company. So if you have a Staples, kind of in your area where you live, it says it's part-time. They have access to dental and vision and life and dependent life, which is children or a spouse. And so spouse, it could be a husband or a wife. So I always do a husband and wife when they say spouse, because I don't know which is, you can't just always say the wife or always say the husband. Let's see. And it says they are also eligible for the 401k plan, which is a retirement plan. And they offer the employees discounts for online items, plus it's in the store. Retail items are in store or full cost. So like if you work there and there's not online, it would be, full cost items, but in person, items or in store items. That's how you would do that. Oh, they even do like adoption assistance. So adoption assistance, adoption help, either one. And also employee counseling for a part-time employee. That's interesting. Starbucks, that's number 5. They are famous for their benefits program, but I don't even know about their benefits program for the part-time employees. You have to be eligible. To be eligible, you have to work 240 hours during 3 months. And then after the 3 months, you continue to work an average of 20 hours a week. So they offer health coverage, hospitalization, dental, vision, life insurance, as well as fertility benefits. Now, the reason I said I used the sign for pregnancy for fertility, because it doesn't explain if it's like IVF or it's for the male or whatever, but any type of, if it's just for the female or if it's male too. So I just said pregnancy benefits, and then you would have to kind of research that because they had a broad topic. They just said, fertility. And my automatic thought was IVF, and that's for women to try to get them to become pregnant. So anyway, but I would have to look into what their benefits are to make sure I was doing the right sign. But if someone was just saying that fertility benefits, I'd probably do pregnancy benefits. So they also offer like acupuncture. You'd have to spell that, and then you would do the needles that go in, and then you could do needles if you wanted to. Either one. This is more of a gestural type of sign, or chiropractic. Now, I would do chiropractic because they are manipulating your spine. I would do chiropractic. You can even do chiropractic if you want to, because he's a doctor, a chiropractor. Chiropractic. Most people know chiropractic because you're manipulating the spine. Okay. They also include adoption and then surrogacy. So that's someone else, that gets pregnant, carries your baby, is pregnant as another woman that carries your baby. So, or if it's someone else's sperm or, someone else's egg or something like that, or they fertilize it, but you can't carry it, a woman can't carry it, and then they have a surrogate. So you'd have to know more about which specific, but they do like some surrogacy. I would replace someone else being pregnant for you, and then it would have to go into the details about that. UPS. UPS is an initial, or it could just be UPS. So it says the part-time employees, they work between 225 to 400 hours during 3 months. And they are eligible for medical and dental, vision, hearing, prescription drugs, and employee assistance programs. It says if it's more than 400 hours during the 3 months, they're eligible for the same benefits as the full-time employees. I was reading ahead. Did put ahead of myself. Oh, Trader Joe's. Now, probably only big cities have a Trader Joe's. apostrophe S. And it says after 3 months and working on an average of 30 hours a week, the employees are eligible for medical, dental, vision, and it costs about $25 a month. And they will match 401k plan, and they contribute 10% of the salary every year to that plan. These are for part-time employees. That's pretty good. Aerotech, and that's a staffing agency, and they're part-time employees who work a minimum of 20 hours a week are eligible for contributory, to contribute, to donate, to give contributory medical, dental, and vision insurance. Infection insurance. That's pretty good. Chipotle. It says that all hourly employees are eligible for their benefits that include medical, vision, dental, 401k match after 1 year that they work there. They can also, the part-time employees, they receive salary percentage based bonuses. This is benefit, bonus, extra credit, any of that. It's putting a pencil in your pocket. It's the same sign. Mental health assistance, education assistance, up to maximum. This is your ceiling and maximum to $5,250 every year. And also you can have a stock purchase plan for the gym membership and discounts and 1 free meal every time you work, so every shift. JP Morgan / Chase Bank. They said that they offer benefits to the part-time employees after 90 days. And those people, they must work in between 20 to 40 hours a week. They can't work less. So they offer a before tax flexible spending accounts, and that can be used for medical. They offer a 401k match, and it starts at 3% annual, remember, every year, and increasing 1% every year to a maximum of 5%. And remember, we're just drawing the percentage sign. Okay. USPS, or US, or the post office. You could say the post office, right? The stamp office, post office. Because they hire like seasonal people when it's, just so busy, when they have all those boxes they have to mail, and cards they have to mail, and different things. So they have a federal employees health benefits program, and it says that it pays 2/3, and we're doing a fraction, so you don't have to do the line. I've seen people do the line like in school at 2/3, but I don't do that. So I just go down 2/3. I do my fraction that way instead of doing my line. So some people do, especially in the schools. You're just interpreting in general at 2/3. It's a fraction. People get it. It's not like, because they learn, right? They learn what that is. So it's 2/3. Where was I at? 2/3 of the health insurance premiums. So your payments, right, or the cost every month, the premiums for employees and the people that have retired. Remember we did holiday, retired, retired. You can do R for retired, or you can even do this, but since it's also the sign for holiday, because it's time off or you're on vacation. So that's why some people will initialize that I'm retired. So it says that they have long-term dental and vision and flexible spending account, which is used for medical most of the time, like glasses or whatever. The retirement system, they also have available for their part-time workers, and it offers now it's fixed, it's limited to, or it's strict. Something that's fixed is limited. So you could say a limited annuity, which is every year based on how many years you've worked of service, or years you've worked there. Or you could say, you could say years of service. And then it says a contribution of a 401k, a savings plan with a 5% match, and Social Security. So they offer that to their seasonal. Some people do that for seasonal. And number 12, Walmart. Oh, I'm getting kind of long here. They said that if they work an average of at least 30 hours a week during 60-day period, which is 1 month, they're eligible for benefits. Okay, I know I need to hurry on this one. I need to have 2 more. The American Red Cross. Now, because this is cross, but if I'm going to do something small, I would do cross, like the American Red Cross instead of the bigger one. They offer eligible employees for part-time benefits if they work 20 hours a week. That's interesting. And then let's see, the last one is Home Depot. And they said they offer their part-time employees home improvement, cheaper employee discounts. And they're eligible for dental and vision plans, short-term disability, and life insurance. Okay, so anyway, so those are the, like, if you need a part-time job, if you're needing like a little bit more money and you want to work there for, for a long time. Some people just really want it short-term, and you probably would not. Some of the ones that are eligible immediately could get, benefits, but most of them, it says you have to work, work there during the, a 3-month period or 90-day period. So anyway, you might want to research that if you need, a little bit extra money, and then you can get benefits too. So that's exciting. So I don't know how much it would cost. Some of them said, and some of them didn't. So anyway, practice these signs and discuss it with your friends, hearing and deaf, and I will see you later. Bye.